Vincent Way, or Y, I think. He does the artwork. So just amazing stuff. And we haven't, this is nothing new. We haven't really seen this. We've seen this picture before, so it's nothing new. And even with the unboxing as well, right? Like I've put, whoops, where'd you go? I just dropped the turret. So I've put the Panzer IVs together. So they're just waiting for, you know, a base coat, and then you got to paint them up. And I got the shirts in, or the skirts there. I'm gonna paint up. So little project there. I don't know. I watched British Legion. You kind of got the ball rolling here for me again, and thought, you know, this one came out. You get a lot of tanks. You get a lot of stuff here. You get, you know, good bang for your buck. So thought, you know, I'd pick it up and then paint it up. So the only thing that, and then British Legion, you sent me these a while, like years ago. And then Nick, I still got the dwarf. Still have the dwarf I got to paint up. So you sent me these. These came from you. So I have to paint them up. And you can see like a little comparison. And now a lot of people, I'll get out of the plastic here. A lot of people I see are complaining, are they soft plastic or the hard plastic? Well, I remember the Open Fire V3 that I painted up, and I didn't think there was any problem with them. It's going to autofocus. Yeah, right here. I can't believe how small they are. Well, I should, because I used to paint them up, but comparing them with the metal ones, I'll get that glare out of the way. Yeah, they're both the same size. They're not bad. So that's on top there, and nothing. You have, you know, there's so many unboxing videos of this that my only complaint, and I did pick up the V3. I had to find that. So I ran into one of the guys. I was at my old town where I used to club at, and I ran into the one of the guys who organizes it. And apparently they're playing, a lot of people, they play that Team Yankee or whatever, World War III, I guess. And now they're into this Blood Sky. So they're trying to get me into that or whatever. But my only one beef with this is that, one, you don't get any decals. And two, maybe it's changed, but you don't get the objective markers. You don't get the bailed out tag or the tokens. You've gone to ground. You get the same dice. That looks familiar. So you get the rule book. And you get the cards. So I don't know why they didn't throw all that other stuff in. Maybe it's either one or the other. You get these gaming aids, which to me, it's, I don't know, it just seems, it's like apples and oranges. It's either you, like, maybe it's getting accustomed to the new, like, I'm going to have this on the table kind of thing. Or I could just flip it in the book. But then you print out, where are you? You print out these pages. Like, this is my old FJ list here. I got this. And I know on the site, see, look at back in the day, 1750, and now all the points are 100. And then you just put in your little stats here. And it's all done online. So you got the card here. I don't know, it just seems like there's more stuff to lose on the table, I guess. I don't know. You got to play the game, and then you got to be conscious about where all your shit is too, because guys at the club would like lose dice or lose, you know, little soldiers or platoon pieces. You take them off the table, right? And I don't know. You just got to be very cognizant of where you're keeping your stuff. So all this stuff is, I don't know, the more stuff on the table. Anyway, I'm just over thinking that. So you got your bases, pretty standard stuff, and you know, you got the quick guide or the quick start here. Nothing really too spectacular. Just, I guess, quick reference. And you got the instruction sheet at the back, the rule book. Here's the this is the V1 flying rocket, which is fun to build. And then you got your pack. What are these? Pack 35s. You got two of those guys. So right on. Some tank commanders, I think, but I can't tell what ones are German or what ones are, I think these are all American. They're all American. And then here's the empty screws, my Panzers. So put that back there, bust open them. And I gotta say, like, putting these guys together, really it all comes together. Can I show you what, oh, this one got kind of glued together. How'd that happen? Well, that's no good. Way to go, Panzer IV. Way to ruin the video. So let's see here. Come on. I'm gonna be careful too. What happened here? Was it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think what happened. Okay, so the pin is still, we're okay. We're all good. So, is this the one? Yeah, see, if you see right in here, I added some glue just to weigh it down a bit. Right in here, look for the shine, or the sheen. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go, right there. So I put some, just some glue stick in there, as well as the hull, and I can show you what I did in a little bit there. I'll just add it in. Okay, so that's that. So let's see the turret. Yeah, I think the glue is just, yeah, so we're good. We're okay. 360. The other ones are okay too. I don't know why the video is going green. Because it's disgusted by my commentary, probably. Anyway, so that's that. That's on deck there. So that's one project on the go, which is cool. I'm not going to stress, Stubmaster, if you're watching, I'm not going to stress out. Just going to enjoy life. And, you know, when I get to it, I'll get to it. I'm not going to burn myself out. You know, you're a young guy, you got your whole life ahead of you. Take your time. Slow and steady wins the race. There's no rush. So that's pretty, I'm pretty pumped about that.